The book of Corinthians consists of two letters, First Corinthians and Second Corinthians, written by the Apostle Paul to the Christian church in Corinth. In First Corinthians, Paul addresses divisions within the church and corrects problems such as pride, immorality, lawsuits, and misuse of spiritual gifts. He emphasizes unity in Christ, love as the greatest virtue, and proper worship. Paul also explains key teachings about marriage, freedom, the Lord's Supper, spiritual gifts, and the resurrection of Jesus, stressing that faith should shape daily life. In 2 Corinthians, Paul defends his apostleship and speaks more personally about suffering, forgiveness, generosity, and perseverance. He highlights God's strength shown through human weakness and encourages believers to remain faithful despite hardship. Together, the letters teach Christians how to live with humility, love, discipline, and devotion to Christ within a challenging world.